Hey guys, we're gonna do something a little different today. So, got some new toys, I guess you could say. So we're gonna do a little unboxing video. So this is an 8-inch drill press 5-speed. Got it from Harbor Freight. I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight. Don't have any sponsors. I paid for this with my own money. All that good stuff. So we're gonna open it up and see what it comes with, and I give you my honest opinion. So let's see. Alright, so alright, so right off the bat we got owner's manual, instructions. That'll come in handy. I really like this one because it comes with the work light, which is pretty nice to have what you're doing, your work lit up. So let's see, start pulling out parts. So I would say there's going to be plenty of assembly required, so we'll get it all set up here. And it doesn't have that overwhelming, oh gosh, that box is heavy. It doesn't have that overwhelming China plastic smell, which is good because a lot of things do have that. All right, here's the main part of it right here. Oh, we got more stuff. We got some hardware. Little tool comes with it, which is nice. Let's see what else. Got the last handle. Set that to the side. This is the bottom mounting plate that supports it. And then, I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift this. I don't know where to grab it. Come on. Okay. That's a good idea. So let's flip this over. There we go. Come on, bugs. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. There we go. Nice. That looks really good. There's the light. Hold on for the light, with the plug. So there's not too much assembly required. Alright guys, so what I like about it, I don't know if you can see, but right here it has like a little measurement so you can see how deep you're going into the material. And it looks like some adjusters right there so you can adjust it. We'll get into more of that later. So let's look at that. Alright. So the light's really nice. It comes with the light too, that's cool. See, I'm gonna go buy one. Let me start getting it set up. I guess I should probably read the instructions. There's the mounting hole. It has a pretty fine layer of machining oil on it still. Look at that, I don't like that at all. So on the bottom of it, still just got like gunk from the machining process, I'm guessing. Just, like look, it's just metal shavings everywhere. We gotta clean that up. You guys see that? So, and it's really, really oily. Which, I mean, I don't mind the oil, but like, it's just straight metal chunks. So I'm gonna clean that up, at least. Get some paper towels. Alright. Here's the base. The base is really nice. It looks to be powder coated. And it still has a little bit of oil on it, but no metal chunks like the other one. So that's gonna go like that. There we go. Gotta get it cleaned up first. And this is gonna go on top of here. Let's see. Get it cleaned up here. That's already much better. Just giving it a wipe. Oh yeah. See, it comes right off, but still, it's just. It's kind of sharp. I think it just cut me. Okay. Which I like the oil. The oil's not bad because it protects it from rusting and corrosion and all that good stuff. So let's see. I believe this right here is the chuck. Let's take a look. Maybe. There we go. It's a pretty heavy little chuck. Yep, there it is. There we go. So, looks like it says 1.5 13 millimeter. And we got a little chuck tool. It's pretty cool, and it's gonna go on to the end of there. So first we need to get the base set up, which I believe this is the hardware for the base. Yep, that's the hardware for the base. We got, it looks like we got, so they give you a bolt, and then a lock washer, and just a regular washer to put on. I got 3 of those, 3 sets of those, so 3 bolts, 3 washers, 3 lock washers. I'm not sure what this goes to yet. Looks like a little pull tab, but I'll figure that out in a minute. We'll get the instructions. Let's see. Right there. And let's look at the base, or the plate. So this is a plate that you would have. It has little measurements, little degrees, angles, so you can see what degree you're drilling at. That's not bad. I don't really know what you use to reference this on, unless there's something on here you'd reference it off of. I haven't seen yet, but it looks like you can, you know, obviously tighten, loosen it, adjust the height. It has a little hole right there in the center, so you can, you know, punch through your material. And you can put a vise on here. It looks like it'll clamp onto here. It's not bad. It was loud. Okay. rid of some of this trash. Okay. Little parts. Set out. Let's see if the instruction manual has anything interesting to say. Okay. So it just has general safety, talks about extension cord lengths. Let's see. Just general safety right now. Let's get to assembly. There it is. Okay. So it's general assembly of it. Oh, so right here, this is interesting. So it tells you the different setups you could do for this different speeds. So I have to reference that later. So let me mess around with this for a minute and look at putting this on. I'll get the top on and I'll bring you guys back and we'll look at the top of it, the different belt speeds. Up on its little stand there, I gave you a little Allen to tighten down these set screws. That's what I'm doing now. Tighten that down. Right there. Get it nice and tight. I got it as straight as I can get it. I'll look at it better later. I just want to get it stable for right now. Tighten down this set screw. Okay. So it's looking pretty good. I mean, pretty impressed with it so far. We will crank it up here soon. Let's look at top. Cool. Okay, so here is the top. See what I see? Sorry guys. Okay. So you got a little chart there for your speeds. The pulleys don't look bad at all. Look like they were machined out of one piece of aluminum, cast aluminum. Got grease in it. Packed full of grease. My little shafts there. That's good. Belt is, it's tight, not too tight, just how it should be. What is this right here? What is that thing? Something for the tension, I'm guessing. Anyways, what I'm doing now is getting set you guys back down. See where you're looking at. Okay, so it has this little knob right here. It goes on the little door right there. So I'm gonna get that installed real quick. This will take just a second. Wow. Funny. Well, look at that. I forgot our little tray. I should probably get that on there. Okay, well, let me get that on so you guys can see. We got our little tray. It's supposed to go on there. Oops. So, let me get that on. I'll bring you guys back. This will take just a second. Alright, we almost got it set up. Now just installing the handle. I mean, this isn't too bad. Like the assembly process. Okay, there's one. That's weird. Like, these are like hitting into each other. That's weird. Hold on. Let's see. So yeah, these handles, like, you gotta, don't tighten them all the way in. Just do one at a time. And then tighten, you gotta like tighten them all into each other. So leave that there. One more. Tighten them all the way in, you can't put the other ones in. Okay. There you go. Let's see what we got going on over here. I don't know, you guys. The sound. Crunchy, crunchy. So we gotta put the chuck on. Now it says to take the chuck, put it on, insert a piece of wood or something soft underneath. Basically, I guess you would press it on, which makes sense because it has like a little indent right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but looks like it goes up over that. So let's find a piece of wood. All I got is a big giant piece of wood. Let me go get it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess what I'm trying to do is just get it up like that. Push it most of the way through, that way I can control it on the other side. There we go. Whoa. Alright, so it says to put a piece of wood underneath. Kind of close. Slowly. Oh, that's going to be a problem. Alright, let's try it this way. Slowly lower it down. Oh, it feels sketchy, guys. It was really sketchy. Well, it's on there. Let's try it one more time. See if we can get anything else out of it. I don't want to go too hard. At the same time, I don't want it to go spinning off while I'm in the middle of drawing. That would not be fun. Okay. That's as much as I want to do. It didn't really go up at all. But it's definitely on there. Let's try this all the way down. See if we can get anything else out of it. Oh gosh. What is that? Nasty. Can you guys even see? What are you looking at? Okay. Watch me about to break it. Okay. Alright. Well, that's gonna have to do. Okay, let me put my rail up. Be back in a minute. It's time to kind of test fire it up, see what it's made of. Let's lower this down just a little bit. Okay, so I got an extension cord here. So the cord on this is pretty nice. It's a grounded circuit. Just a little bit safer. Take a little bit more power. It's a nice thick, heavy duty cable. Let's see how long it is. So it's pretty long cord. Got some reach to it for sure. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in. Or not. Let me find a plug real quick. Alright, we got it plugged in. Now one thing that's cool about it is it has like this safety. So you pull the key out now. It won't turn on, won't turn off. Put it back in. Let's turn on and see what happens. That's pretty fast. I like the little light. I want to get like a LED one though. Let's see what speed it's set on. So, third one down. Third one up. So it's set to 1,630 RPM, and I think I'll want to move it down a little lower than that, but not bad. So thanks for joining me, guys, and then I have another tool review I'm going to do also. I got a belt sander, so we'll check that out, but I'm going to take this out to my shop and bolt it down, of course, but yeah, it's going to be really nice to have. Later, guys.